Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a grocery store in America. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and the staff at the store. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. In what year did Japan start asking people to pay for plastic bags? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, the parking lot is full today.
Yeah, Saturday morning is always busy here.
Look at all those cars. The store must be busy.
It's fine. We just need to take our time. Let me get a cart from over there.
This one is good. The wheels look fine.
Great. Did you bring the shopping list?
Yes, here it is. I wrote it down this morning. Wait a minute. Let me read it again, slowly. Steak, red wine, big salad, fresh bread, and chocolate cake? Ken, what is all this for?
It's for tonight.
Tonight? It's just a normal Saturday. It's not my birthday. It's not your birthday. So what is it? Is your boss coming over for dinner?
No boss.
Friends, then? Did you invite people without telling me?
Nobody is coming. Just you and me.
Just us? Then why all this food?
Because tonight is a special night. That's all I can say.
A special night? Now I really want to know.
I am not going to tell you. It's a secret.
Oh, come on, Ken. Give me one small hint.
No hints. You will see tonight.
One word? One letter?
One word, special.
That is not a hint.
Sorry. I'm enjoying this too much.
I can see that. I bet I can guess it before we leave the store.
Good luck with that.
First guess, your mom is visiting from Japan.
Nope, not even close.
Second guess, you got a better job.
Wrong again.
Did I forget something important?
Keep guessing. Let's start with the drinks. The water is heavy. I want to put it in the cart first, on the bottom.
Okay, fine. The drinks are at the back of the store, right?
Yes, far back. You go first. I'll push the cart.
But I will think about your secret all morning.
Good. That is part of the fun. Maybe you will guess it before tonight.
I'm going to try really hard.
I bet you will not get it.
We'll see, Ken. We'll see.
Watch out for that man with the boxes.
Oh, sorry. Excuse me.
This place is busy today.
Saturday families, they all need food for the weekend.
Come on, let's move.
Okay, here we are. The drinks aisle.
Look at all these bottles. So much choice.
I just need water. We don't have any at home.
Let's get a big pack, the 24-bottle one.
That is heavy. Are you sure?
I can carry it. Watch me.
Wow, you lifted it like it was nothing. Strong man.
Thank you. Now, into the cart. Bottom of the cart, like I said.
Good idea. Soft things on top. Hey, Ken, the bags. Did you bring our bags from home?
Yes, 2 of them. They're in my backpack.
Perfect. I always forget mine. Last time I had to buy plastic bags.
How much was it?
5 cents per bag. I needed 4 bags, so 20 cents.
It's not much money, but it becomes a lot later.
Right, and the plastic is bad for the ocean.
That's why so many countries are changing the rules.
Oh? What do you mean?
Well, in Japan, plastic bags were free for a long time. Then in 2020, the country said, no more free bags.
Wow, 2020? That was not so long ago.
Right. Now you pay for every bag. 3 yen, 5 yen, 10 yen. People learned it fast.
Here in the US, it depends on the state. Some states ask for money, some give free bags, some don't let you use plastic at all.
It's different everywhere.
Yeah, where I lived before, it was 5 cents. Now we live here, and the rules are not the same.
That is confusing.
A little, but I bring my own bag every time now.
Good habit. My friend in Germany told me something interesting.
Tell me.
In Germany, people have used their own bags for over 20 years.
20 years? That's a long time before us.
Yes, he said his mom and grandma always bring a basket or a bag. Going to the store without a bag is just strange there.
I love that. It's part of normal life for them.
And another friend told me about Africa. Some countries there don't even let you use plastic bags at all.
At all? Like you can't buy them anywhere?
Right. If you bring one, you might have to pay money.
Wow, that is a strong rule.
They had a big trash problem with plastic, so they made the rule.
Smart idea.
So this bag habit is in more countries now.
We are doing our part too. 2 bags from home, no plastic today.
High five.
High five.
Okay, next stop. I need to go to the meat counter. Why don't you go to aisle 5? We need olive oil and lemons.
Okay, I'll grab those. I'll take the cart and meet you at the cashier.
Perfect. See you there in about 10 minutes.
Have fun with your meat secret.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is grocery, meaning food and other things you buy at a store. For example, we need to go to the grocery store this weekend. The second word is aisle, meaning a long open space between rows in a store. For example, the drinks are in aisle 5. The third word is fresh, meaning made or picked very recently. For example, we have fresh bread from this morning. The fourth word is cashier, meaning the person who takes your money at the store. For example, the cashier was very kind today. The fifth word is receipt, meaning a small paper that shows what you paid for. For example, do you want a paper receipt or email? Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at the grocery store.
Excuse me, I'd like some steak, please.
Of course. What kind would you like today?
2 ribeyes, please, thick cut.
Thick ribeyes. Good choice. How thick?
About 2 fingers thick.
Okay, about 500 grams each?
That sounds right. Maybe a little more.
No bones, right?
Yes, no bones, please.
One moment. Let me pick the best ones for you.
Thank you.
These 2 look great. They came in fresh this morning.
They look perfect.
You're cooking a nice dinner tonight?
Yes, actually. Tonight is a special night.
Oh, special? Birthday?
No, not a birthday. We have been together for 1 year today.
1 year. That's wonderful. Congratulations.
Thank you, but it's a surprise. She doesn't know.
Oh, how sweet. So you are buying the steak now while she is in another aisle?
Exactly. She is over in another aisle getting olive oil and lemons.
Then I will not say a word. Don't worry.
Thank you. She might walk by any minute.
If I see her, I'll just talk about the weather.
Perfect plan.
Are you looking for anything else from the meat counter?
Maybe some bacon for breakfast tomorrow.
We have fresh bacon right here. $6 for the half-pound pack.
I'll take 1 pack, please.
Good choice. Bacon and eggs in the morning is a great way to start the day.
Yes, that's the plan.
What kind of wine are you having with the steak?
Red wine. A bottle of Cabernet.
Oh, great choice with ribeye. They go together very well.
I read that online last night.
Smart shopper. And what else for the dinner? Potatoes, salad?
Big salad with tomato and avocado and some bread.
Sounds like a beautiful dinner.
I hope so.
Okay, here's your meat, all packed and ready.
It looks great. Thank you very much.
One quick tip. Cook it about 3 minutes on each side in a really hot pan. Don't move the meat too much. Just let it sit there.
Okay, don't move it. Hot pan, 3 minutes per side.
After that, let the meat rest for 5 minutes before cutting. That way, all the juice stays inside.
That makes the meat soft and juicy.
Exactly. You'll have a great dinner.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Have a wonderful night.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, we did. The store is easy to walk in.
That's great to hear. Let me start with your items.
Sure, take your time.
Oh, fresh bread. From our bakery this morning?
Yes, it smells so good. Hard to wait until we get home.
Many people love this bread.
Now I'm even more excited.
And 2 big ribeyes.
Yes, that's for a special dinner tonight.
Oh, nice. Having guests?
No, just us. My boyfriend is at the meat counter, planning a surprise for me.
That's very sweet. A special date for you two?
Maybe. He won't tell me. It's a secret.
Oh, a secret night.
Right? I've been guessing all morning. No luck.
Well, it sounds like a really nice dinner.
I hope so. He's been planning this very carefully.
A bottle of red wine, chocolate cake, a big salad, fresh bread, steaks, bacon. That's a very nice dinner.
When you say it like that, I can't wait to get home.
Okay, you have a lot here. Let me count. Your total comes to $72.15.
Okay, I'll pay by card.
Sure. Tap or put in.
I'll tap. Here we go.
All done. Are you a member with our store card?
Oh, I am. Let me get my phone. The number is on my app.
Take your time.
Here it is. 555789.
Got it. You earned 8 points today. That's enough for a free coffee next time.
A free coffee? Nice.
Yes, you can use it at our cafe near the front door.
I will. Thank you.
Do you need a bag?
No, thank you. I brought my own. 2 of them.
Smart. Saves you 20 cents and saves the planet, too.
Exactly. We tried to remember every time.
Want me to help with the bags?
Oh, yes, please. The bottles are heavy.
I'll put the heavy things on the bottom.
Perfect. Thank you.
And the bread on top so it doesn't break.
You really know what you're doing.
Do you want a paper receipt or email?
Email is fine. The address is on my card.
Done. You'll see it in a minute.
Thank you so much.
Have a wonderful evening. Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Bye now.
Whew, the cart is heavy. So many bags.
Yeah, we got a lot today. Let me open the trunk.
Okay, I'll start with the heavy stuff. Water first.
Be careful with the wine bottle.
Yes, I'm putting it on the side, away from the water.
And the cake on top, soft and flat.
Got it. bread next to the cake.
Perfect. Looks really neat.
We're like a packing team now.
We make a good team.
Okay, the cart is empty. Let me put it back.
Wait, give me a minute.
What?
Come here. I want to tell you something.
Oh, now you'll tell me the secret?
Yes. Sit down here on the trunk for a second.
Okay, you're making me nervous.
Don't be nervous. It's a good secret. Do you know what today is?
Today, it's Saturday, April 18th, I think.
Yes, April 18.
Is that important?
1 year ago today, we met for the first time.
Wait,
At that little coffee shop near the train station. I had a black coffee, you had a tea and a muffin. I asked if I could sit at the same table because all the other tables were full.
Oh my God, April 18. You bought me another tea before you left. I think I forgot to thank you.
1 year ago, exactly today.
I completely forgot. Ken, I'm so sorry.
Don't be sorry. That's why it's a surprise.
But you remembered every little thing.
Of course I did. It was the best Saturday of my life.
Ken,
That's why we have steak, wine, and cake at home tonight. I'm gonna cook for you. No restaurant, just our place.
this is the sweetest thing.
I have one more thing.
There's more?
Just a small gift. It's in the trunk, under the bread bag.
A gift too? Ken, you really planned everything.
I wanted today to be perfect.
It already is. Just being here with you is perfect.
Then let's go home. Dinner won't cook itself.
Next year, I promise, I'll remember every detail too.
Deal. And next year, we'll do this again, right here.
Same store, same morning, same shopping list?
Same shopping list, but maybe 2 cakes.
2 cakes? You really love me.
That's the plan. Now, let's get going.
1 year down, many more to go.
Many more.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. In what year did Japan start asking people to pay for plastic bags? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Alright, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!